Here we come to the elevator at the Manuel Pacheco Integrated Learning Center at the University of Arizona and Tucson, Arizona. This is a Scenic elevator with EPCO fixtures installed in 2001. Give a view up the shaft. JL interlock. JL interlock. There's up the shaft. Let's go up. Capacity 3,500 pounds. This is car number 1. There's another elevator on the other side of the building that's identical to this one. So let's go up to 2. Let's go back down to 1. Wait, this is just a basic elevator, basic cab, EPCO fixtures. Very nice motor though. Anyways, the bottom part is not Scenic, but the upper part is Scenic. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.